Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a loop tire. This specialized tool helps secure a new tire onto its rim, allowing for safe and efficient bead seating. It applies controlled pressure to the tire's sidewalls, which creates a vital seal between the tire and the wheel. Understanding its proper use is key to successfully mounting a new tire, ensuring it's ready for inflation and road use. Before placing the loop, prepare your tire and rim meticulously. First, ensure both surfaces are thoroughly clean and completely free of any dirt or old rubber particles. Next, apply a thin, even layer of tire lubricant to the tire bead and the rim flange. This crucial step greatly aids the seating process. Finally, position the tire correctly onto the rim, making sure the valve stem aligns perfectly. Now, let's carefully apply the loop tool. Position the strap or chain around the exact center of the tire's tread, ensuring it sits squarely. Gradually tighten the mechanism, compressing the tire sidewalls just enough to encourage the bead to move closer to the rim. It is important to confirm the loop remains evenly centered throughout this step for balanced pressure distribution, preparing the tire for inflation. With the loop in place, begin to slowly inflate the tire, carefully monitoring as the bead seats. You should listen for 2 distinct popping sounds, signaling both beads have fully settled against the rim. Once seated, slightly deflate the tire before very carefully removing the loop tool. Then, re-inflate to the manufacturer's recommended pressure, often around 32 pounds per square inch, and your tire is ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.